But the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choice, but they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop. And when you get the top, and I see that you've been learning. And when I took the top, you spinning like you're burning. And when you pop off on your ex, you just...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Symone coming to you today. As you can see, my hair is not all the way done, but we're gonna make this look come together. So today I have my nieces, Zoe and Madison, and they are going to be doing my makeup today. So I'm putting my trust and soul into them, and we'll see how they do. Maddie, you look a little mischievous. I don't know what they're gonna do to you. But we're gonna do this makeup tutorial, and yeah, let's get started. So, what are you guys gonna start with?
With this.
You're gonna start with that. Do you know what that is?
Foundation.
Okay. Alright.
Okay.
So you can squirt it on my face. And you can use, you should probably use, because that'll be for concealer. You can do my concealer, Zoe.
Okay.
What'd you say, Zoe?
On your forehead, she's putting way.
That's how I'm spreading it. I can spread it out. Is that you want to help? I am.
You want to help her, Zoe?
Yes.
Get
Take another brush.
Get another brush. Okay. You getting all my creases?
Okay, now I'm finished.
You're finished?
Now what do we do?
Okay, that doesn't look terrible. That doesn't look terrible. Look, I'm putting my trust in you. What should we do next? Let's do concealer. So, hand me that bag. And you're going to use this. You're just going to put a little bit under my eyes. And then you can use the pink beauty blender to blend it in.
Okay, I'm gonna help her.
It's going to be really light, but it's supposed to highlight my eyes.
Okay.
Do you need help?
Yes. I can only do it. She's literally twisting it.
You guys look unsure.
Oh,
We are.
ready.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
I'm really not sure about this. So you do something.
Maddie. Zoe said I does this. You blending it in?
I'm better at foundation.
You did a good job on the foundation, Maddie.
Concealers.
Okay, I see what we're working with. All right, who wants to do my eyebrows? And then you're gonna stick that piece in here. You don't have to put a lot.
Like this.
That's a lot. And then you're gonna do my eyebrows.
To know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when
Okay, look at you, Maddie.
Okay. So can you do this one? I'm left-handed, so yeah. I can't only do the left.
Zoe!
What the heck?
I know. It's blonde.
My eyebrow. What'd you do to her eyebrow?
What'd you do to my eyebrows, Zoe?
Oh my
Nothing.
god.
Some fleek. Some fleek.
It's on fleek.
Okay, now we're gonna brush it.
Okay, you brushed it off.
Mine was better.
Nah. Not my turn.
Wait, I'm not done. Yeah.
She's gonna get when I brush it.
Oh my gosh. I really.
See, it's looking on fleek.
Yeah, but she messed up on the top.
Tell the camera what you said, Zoe.
It's some fleek when I brush it.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
She literally messed up on the top.
It is. It's some fleek.
There's like a big blotch from there.
See, it's on fleek.
It's on fleek? Okay. Alright, so I think brows are done. We're good on brows. Somebody want to do my eyeliner? It goes like on my eye. Alright, let's see.
Wait, so it's your turn.
No, it's not.
It is. I did the eyebrows. You do it.
Where it goes?
So it's gonna go just like you're gonna put a line.
Okay, I'll do the
above.
left one.
Okay.
You stop moving your eye.
She's scared. I'm gonna probably give you a cat eye. Let's see how that turns out.
Mine's gonna be better than yours.
That was wicked. Okay, now my turn.
Oh, I'm getting
Oh my gosh, you guys both of them got your hand. Okay, now your left one.
Don't look at yourself.
Okay, I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look.
I do it.
No,
Why?
that is for girls only.
Is that Augie? Augie, do you want to say hi to the camera? You know, it's all good. Here, come here. Say hello.
How come you get on my
This right
hand?
here. Bend your head down. Say hi. Guys, this is my nephew, Augie. August.
Mine look better than yours. I gave you a cat eye.
You gave
Yeah,
me a
but my
cat eye.
eyebrows look better than yours.
Here, and Zoe, do me a favor so you don't get that on. Go wash your hands right now.
Yes, Zoe.
Okay, get what you're getting.
Hey.
You like my makeup, Augie? Look at me.
Mine is like heavy.
You like my makeup?
Mine is literally heavy. Hers is so thin.
Yeah. Okay,
Hers
next
is like
step.
literally.
Right here, right
What's the
here.
next step?
What's the next?
Now you get
I know
out.
it's better than yours.
Augie, did you come to get something?
Yeah.
What'd you come to get?
Toys.
Toys?
Go
Here.
with it.
Okay. So,
Dude, no.
So.
Augie.
Get out.
Get out. Yeah.
And you can do my lip gloss.
What I do?
Nothing.
Time to blend it
Can
in.
you open it?
You're going, oop, there you go, boo boo.
Oh, yeah. You really need it.
It's, you just open that part.
Oh, these two. I bet.
Okay, we can do those too.
Hello. Hello. See my color.
You're a photo bomber.
He's a photo bomber.
What? No. Don't let me put on your face.
Boats.
Stop.
Stop. Oh, you're here for
Everything's
Gibson.
Oh, brother. I put really.
You put too much?
I want you.
See? Let out.
Augie, get what you wanted to get.
Like,
Get it.
right.
Would be much better at lipstick. Stop.
No.
No.
It's true. I wanna be down. Got to be down with what you go.
I did a better job.
No matter the time of day, night is wanna be down.
You said on fleek?
Yeah, it's on fleek.
Okay, I see
Oh
you.
my.
I wanna be down. Oh, I wanna be down.
So you could do, someone does my right
do-
eye and
I do
someone
the
does my
left.
left eye.
I do that.
Okay, yeah.
Stop. Let me do it. Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh. Augie, you might spill it, boo-boo.
Okay, mine is perfect.
No! Ow.
I can do it too. I can help.
I know you're trying to help, Augie. I appreciate you. You did amazing.
That's probably is that I have to go from left to right.
I feel something wet on my right eye.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm putting glitter under your eye. Look.
No, I need to wipe this off.
Uh-oh. Is that wet?
Yes.
Wait, it's gonna take off the makeup, Daddy.
Getting it off though. No.
Let me do it.
No.
Do my shoulder, Augie. Just pat my shoulder. Thank you.
Okay, there.
Yeah,
You did better.
I did better. Look at my fleek eye.
You always talk about fleekness. That's because you have a perfect brush. Let me see.
No, she said give me a brush.
Because your brush is easier to work with.
No. Look, I'm still working with a big brush.
No, because this one's like more easy.
Oh, glitter.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Little-
Which eye?
Nice
is
little
better?
effects.
The white eye or the
Put it down. Out.
You guys, you did a good job.
Talk about the experience. I'm just gonna wash my hands.
This was horrible.
Mine was better.
He kept doing it. He kept messing it up.
Mine was really good.
Alright guys, I'm back. So let me show you the final,
Yeah.
it looks gorgeous, guys. It looks beautiful. I will say some pointers. You guys actually didn't do too bad on the brows.
Let me do it.
Now the eyeshadow, it's a lot.
Mine was a lot.
Yes, it is. All of them
But
are
I still look cute though, so thanks guys.
Cheese.
So we can take a picture, okay? How do you feel? Maddie?
See, I got a little clipper.
I feel like half of this, Zoe said it's not that good.
Hold on, Augie.
She did too much. She did too much. Mine was a little bit more blended.
Yours. So Maddie said that Zoe did too much on this side, and this side she said was more blended. How do you feel, Zoe?
Good. Horses messed up because she put it way too much. She put it way too much on the eyeshadow, and then she messed up like the eyeliner, and you can see it a lot.
Uh-oh.
Yeah,
So-
yours is too thin.
Zoe said that she feels like her side is on fleek, and she said that Maddie had messed up on her side.
No, she did hers too a little bit, and you can barely even see it. It's like less
You
than
didn't
an
even
inch.
do the cat eye.
I said I wanted to do one. I never said I will do one.
Well, guys, this concludes the video, and I have introduced you Maddie and Zoe. Zoe, come squeeze your head in here somewhere.
Nah. Nah.
There you go.
Nah.
And they've done my makeup. This is like, you could do a little everyday routine featuring Augie. You know, he did a little bit shoulder action. Alright guys, so we are over and out introducing Augie, Maddie, and Zoe, and Ams. So we'll catch you next time. Stay tuned for bloopers. Love you. Peace.
Sorry, my butt. Sorry, my butt. Stop. Let me do it. Oh my goodness.
Wait, okay, so here.
Let me do it.
No.
Yeah, take that from me, Maddie.
Please.
That's a lot, Augie. You might spill.